Every trader starts here, convinced logic will win. You learn patterns, backtest systems, and think you're ready. But the market doesn't just test your strategy, it tests you. It exposes fear, greed, pride, and every illusion of control you thought you had. This is the first step of the emotional cycle, belief without understanding. Then comes the win, that first green trade that makes you feel invincible. You start believing you've cracked the code. The screen glows with confidence. You begin to size up. But what feels like mastery is often the setup for overconfidence. Every emotion the market rewards, it will soon punish. You chase, you add, you double down. Greed blinds you, not because you don't see risk, but because you think you can control it. The market starts whispering, "You're different. You're special." That whisper becomes a roar right before the fall. The losses arrive, but you tell yourself they're temporary. You move stops, add to losers, ignore rules you wrote yourself. You convince yourself the market is wrong. This is denial, the most dangerous emotion in trading. Because denial looks exactly like patience, until it destroys you. Then fear takes everything. Charts blur, logic disappears, every red candle feels personal. You freeze, you revenge trade, or you walk away swearing it's rigged. Every trader meets this wall, the moment you realize the fight isn't with the market. It's with yourself. Out of exhaustion comes acceptance. You stop fighting the market and start studying yourself. You realize the charts never lied, your emotions did. From this quiet point, discipline begins to grow. You trade smaller, you listen more, you learn to wait. Discipline isn't born from books, it's forged in losses. The same pain that once broke you now builds you. You discover process over profit, patience over impulse. You begin to see what others can't. Trading isn't about predicting, it's about responding. Eventually, you stop chasing trades and start chasing clarity. The same charts that once ruled your mood now mirror your growth. You're still the same trader, but with different eyes. Mastery isn't about being right. It's about being unshakable. When your mind stops reacting, your capital finally compounds.